Hello friends and welcome back. So in this video I will be explaining the April hook-off problem. So first problem what we have is the lift request. Okay. So first of all I will explain the problem statement, what the problem statement says, and then I will explain the solution and the code. So let's start. So first of all, instead of reading the whole problem, I will explain you the first case. So in the case, what you are having is that first you will have t. So first of all, I should write the case. It is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 1 and 1, 0. So first of all, we have t, number of test cases. Then we will have n, which indicates number of flows, and the flows start from 0. So in this case the flows are 0, 1 and 2, and these indicates q, which are these q queries. So what it basically indicates is that a person, it's a building with the n floors starting from the 0 floor. So basically it has 0, 1 and 2 floors, and we have a lift. The lift starts from a floor this, and it inputs some students, and it goes to the floor this. After that, when the step 1 is wholly completed, then it goes to step 2, where it goes to the lift, where the lift goes to the place this, and after that the lift goes to the place this. After that it goes to place this. After that it goes to place this. So it basically clearly indicates is that a lift starts from here. It will, so basically what we have to output is that we have to output the as you can see, the number of floors it traveled. So actually what will be the number of floors it traveled? So it will start from the 0th floor, it will move to the first floor, as you can see here. After the first floor it will move to the second floor. Okay. After that it moved to the 0th floor. Okay. After that it moved to the first floor. Okay. After that it moved to the 0 floor. Okay. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the output is 6. So basically what we have to do is that we have to move from the floor this to the floor this, after that 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 to the floor this, and from this we will get our output. What is the answer? So now I will explain what I have written the code. So from that you can clearly understand what the actually problem is saying. So as you can see here, first of all I input the t. Okay. After that I have input my n and q. Okay. After that I have the variables a and b, as you can see here, because we need to input the floor a and b. Okay. So here I have a variable sum, in which I will store my final answer, which is actually basically here it is 6. So actually I will add everything in my sum. Okay. So the next variable I have this, which indicates what is the current floor on which I am standing, because actually I am starting from 0th floor, and every input of a and b I will move to a particular floor. So when I move to a particular floor, I will update the value of the variable this. Okay. So after that I input my variables a and b as I indicated here. then I added the sum. Was actually I use ABS. It is the absolute function in C and C++, which is like mod in maths. Like we take modulus, modulus mod, the mod which we use. So it is basically this ABS, absolute. Okay, so actually I do ABS because if we move up or down, it no matters. We just need to have the length between the flows. So I use the function ABS. Then I update my value of CURR as I already spoke about. Then I also added the ABS for B because actually it moves to the floor B after standing at the floor A. It moves to the floor B, and it will repeat for the Q statements, and thus at last I will output my final answer. So basically it is the solution of problem A. As you can see, lift request. So I hope you guys understood the solution, and yeah, see you in the next question. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's